everyone, it's me, Lindsay, with EquipMeOT, here today to talk about how to do toilet transfers with a knee replacement. So this is going to be for individuals who are recovering from knee surgery, who have some ability to bend the knee and are full weight bearing as tolerated. So make sure you know what your surgical recovery recommendations are. I will have other videos available that show all the different variations. This will also mostly cover a single knee replacement. I know it's popular now to have double knee replacements, so more videos to come on that as well. The setup here is I'm going to use a walker, which is a standard mode of mobility aid for most knee recoveries, and it's definitely the most practical in the bathroom, and I'll show you why. I'm also going to do it in two different spaces. One of them is this bathroom, which has a low toilet and no extra accessories, and later we're going to show you what it looks like when you add some accessories to the toilet to make life a little bit easier if you need it. So let's go ahead and get started with how I would set up my approach. The main thing here is that you're going to use your walker to support you however it feels most comfortable. Move the walker, step in until you reach the front of the toilet. Depending on how your bathroom is laid out, that may mean sidestepping, that may be a forward approach, or if you have a water closet, it may mean just backing into the bathroom. Do it slowly, approach with caution until you feel the toilet on the back of your legs. That's when you know when to stop. You want to be right up against that toilet. You don't want to accidentally sit too short or too far back. So you're going to stop with your legs at the toilet. I have my counter here. If you have that available to you, you could use it. If not, you're going to have to essentially do a squat, depending on how much bend you have in this knee. You're going to be relying primarily on this leg, and that requires a lot of strength that many folks don't have. So let me show you how I would use the walker to support myself if I didn't have anything to grab onto like I do here. So what I would do is take my walker. Once I've approached the toilet, I'm not going to stop here. I'm actually going to keep turning like this. Very slow and steady. And I'm going to put my walker at the toilet. I've now created a toilet frame. So if I'm here, I've just turned my walker to this point. I'm going to continue to use the walker for support as I turn around, but now I have something to brace myself on as I come down to the toilet to be able to use it. At this point, I would use the toilet, clothing management, hygiene, and then when I go to stand back up again, I have my walker, and again, this is best and only really practical with a two-wheeled walker or no-wheeled walker. This won't work with a four-wheeled walker or one with a seat because it would block the toilet. This is a great tip if you're going out and about following surgery and just need something with a little extra support. And then I'm going to push up from the walker. And then I'm going to bring my leg back, and very carefully, I'm going to then turn, keeping a hand on the walker for balance. And then I'm going to back the walker out from the toilet. And then I'm going to exit the bathroom, however your bathroom is situated. So that's how I would do it with a completely unmodified toilet. For those of you who maybe are quite a bit taller than I am, I'm only 5'4", so a 14-inch height toilet, while low, is not detrimental to me. But for somebody much taller recovering from knee replacement, I would strongly suggest adding some modifiers. So let's go ahead and check out my other bathroom, which has those modifiers in place, and I'll show you what that transfer looks like. All right, so welcome to my other bathroom. In this bathroom, I have a riser and armrest attached to the toilet. This is by far my favorite setup right now. In fact, we leave it set up like this all the time because this toilet is also low at 14 inches. This riser adds about 3.5, almost 4 inches. And this is the Kohler Hyten type toilet riser, which I love because there's no gapping, has a lid, and it lifts for easy cleaning. This armrest system is also exceptionally nice because the armrests flip out of the way, there's nothing to the floor to create additional trip hazards, and it mounts to the toilet for optimal support and stability. So this setup I'm going to link down below is my absolute favorite and would work perfect for just about any knee surgery recovery. So let me show you what it looks like if I were to approach it as somebody recovering from knee replacement. All right. So in this bathroom is very narrow galley style bathroom. I would use my walker and I would do a side approach. So I'm going to side step until I'm in front of the toilet. I'm going to back up to the toilet. At this point I would take my pants down. Now because I have these nice armrests, I don't need to worry about where I'm going to grab. Put my leg out however far it is comfortable to do so. If I can bend a little bit, I will keep it a little closer to the toilet, lower myself down slowly. You can see with that added height how much easier it is to get up or to get down onto it without coming down hard. It's just going to allow a lot more flexibility. So while it's not essential for a knee replacement recovery to have the riser and armrests in place, I'm telling you, this setup makes life so much more comfortable, especially in those early days. Then when I'm done using the toilet, I've done my hygiene, I'm going to use these armrests to help support my push back up to a stand, push myself up, grab one hand on the walker, next hand on the walker, pull my pants up, and out I go. That easy. So that's the process I would use, and I recommend for most all of my patients who use this to get up and down from the toilet comfortably after their knee surgery. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to hear them. And if you need more information like this on how to stay safe and comfortable in your home and community, consider subscribing to EquipMeOT. Thank you.